Hey guys, Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Let's look at dollar. See what's cooking under the hood. As you can see, value area high has been penetrated and it's above it at 105.71. And it looks like there's some data coming out today. And looks like if it continues, it may want to kiss 106.51. I am short the euro at 1.075. 1075. I don't trade a dollar, but I use it as an indicator to trade the euro, the pound, and the Aussie. So I am short the euro, and let's see if this data comes out benefiting the dollar because it's going to bring pressure on the euro. Let's look at what the dollar's doing. So far, it's at the mobile. We need to close above 105.92 because there's a fighting chance to go there, but very bullish. MACD on the monthly is bullish. On the weekly, we already broke through above the 105.69 and pierced the Woody's R1. So it looks like this linear regression channel up here, which is not the red one, it's still good. But this is the area that I'm tracking for the dollar to go and kiss. MACD on the weekly is positive. Above the cloud, above the moving averages on the daily time frame, out of the cloud, above value area high 105.73. And what's above here? Well, this is the area you probably don't want to get too greedy. I've been teaching you guys this, so hopefully you're getting the good stuff. Linear regression channel will keep you in check. So if I'm short, once I see the dollar get up here, I'll tighten up stops or maybe lock in profit. So that's a nice little trade there if it gets up there. But this is the area where I think the dollar will kind of have a little tough time. And see, the MACD is positive here above the moving averages. Everything is pretty much good, intact. Let's look at our daily chart. Andrew's APF, good. You're at the 25%. It could probably keep chucking along. I mean, this is a target. I could probably go right through the linear regression channel. Where's the linear regression channels at? Right here, let's see. So as of today, that's somewhere around 106.14. But can it blow right through it? If it wants to really... Yeah, I mean, if it wants to get up here, it probably might push through it. So it all depends how that's gonna unfold. It's PPF, APF. Let's see, trend lines. Yeah, you're above this one. So a lot of stuff is pretty good for a bullish dollar. Fans, yep, 105.83. Yep, let's go into the midpoint chart. And you can see above the 50 moving average. Mobile is a little concerning. It's kind of in the middle. But you got a PPS buy signal retraced. It now wants to push higher. And there's a pivot here of 106.37. On the daily chart, you're above the 75%. So here's another pivot or another target, 106.18. But the mobiles are good. Stokes are good. On the 4 hour, mobiles are good and Stokes are good. And you're kissing the highs already at 105.91. On the daily, the 1 hour, you're looking good. So this is where I was watching to go short the euro when this came and saw it here above the 200 moving average and shorted the euro. And so far in the overnight session has been going well. And the mobile is positive. Stokes are positive. What could be possible targets? Well, this could be a target for today and then maybe stall, but it all depends on whatever data is coming out. 105.98 for today. And it needs to stay above at least 105.57. So whatever happens, it gets ugly, then I got to lock in profits quick on the euro. So I'll be watching for the data to come out. But so far, yep, everything's looking good to go above, and we can get the square of 9, 105. It's right here. So 106, this is a tough nut to crack. We've been having a hard time at the 180 degree, which is this one right here. But if we could get right through that, 107, and if that gets to 107, most likely could get to 111 and maybe test 114. But, you know, we'll take baby steps. But I'll leave it at that. Let's see how this data is going to come out, and let me know your thoughts. You're long the dollar, you're short the Aussie. I mean, not the Aussie, the euro or the pound. What are your thoughts? What are you playing? Who's buying the dollar? No one's even answered that. Somebody's buying it. But we'll find out. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the US dollar.